Never take photos for free. Unless there should only be 2 reasons why you'd ever take photos for free. They should always be to benefit you and your business. Number 1, for a spec ad. What's a spec ad? A spec ad is a non-paid advertisement in which you do to showcase your skills or talents to a specific brand or agency. These pieces can live on your website, on social media, or even be used for content creation. Creating spec ads all throughout your career as a photographer can be extremely valuable. If you have a specific brand or company that you want to reach, it can be really great to tailor content specifically to them. You can send that out to them, you can post it on social, and there's nobody telling you what you can and cannot do on that project. And you can get as creative as you really want. In my opinion, with every single spec ad you do, you're just leveling up your skills to become a way better photographer. The second reason for doing free work is for charity, because honestly, if you're not getting paid, it's charity. The best way to leverage charity work is by saying, hey, could you guys provide a testimonial, or give them a document saying, I would charge X amount of dollars for this project, but I give it to you guys for free. You're still running a business, and you have to make good business decisions. And so if you're giving something away for free, it should always still be to benefit your business. Only you really know if the connections you make or the work that you're doing is truly going to benefit you. But never get trapped in this mindset of just being a nice guy, because if they're not going to pay you, they're going to pay somebody else. So always get paid for what you do. It doesn't matter if you're just starting out. Your gear, your time, your equipment, your effort, everything costs money, it costs time. So always get paid for what you do, because your work is worth it. If you like this video, consider subscribing. I'm going to be making many more videos like this in the future to help you guys level up your photography. As well as if you'd like to see my work, you can follow me on Instagram at jacob.wagner. Okay, peace guys.